Hi, this is MT Motors here. Got this Mini Cooper here that we're doing a wiper motor and an arm together, replacing it. Wow. To get it out, first thing is to get this cover off, this two cover off, to be able to see the motor. And I'll show you the old motor. This is what happened to that. Yeah, this arm twisted is one of my customer that I normally give this car to for a courtesy car. This one was twisted. He came back with the car. This one is twisted, so we need to replace this arm. And to be able to remove this, it's a hard task. First of all, there's a one bolt there, which is 10 bolts. You need to remove it. A screw there, which is you need to remove that, and then another one there, and then screw. Yeah, so to do that, then you'll be able to get another access. There's a one bolt there. I need to remove another one there and another one there. I did not pass the other side because I'm going to work on this side. So what I did is remove that, and still you won't be able to get access to that complete arm like that. So first thing is you need to remove this repeater here, and as soon as you remove it, you'll be able to see this bolt. As you can see, that bolt is holding here. It's holding this cover, and there's a two bolt there. As you can see, two bolt there is also holding it here. Yeah, it holds there. And then the last one, this one, is also there. It's also there. They're all this is T25. That one is T27. This is 10. That one is T27. So you remove all of this before you can be able to lift this one up. To lift it up, it won't go up. You have to remove the hood, and this is what we did. I've done it already. So I remove the hood, this side of it, and then I let my guy hold this while I remove these 3 bolts, which is one there. It's holding the wiper motor there. You can see 10 bolt there, and then this one is 13 further down there, and then the last one is also here, 10 bolt. I think you can see it there behind it. It's 10 bolt. Before you be able to disconnect the arm, there's the electrical connector in the motor down there. You have to disconnect, and then lift this one high up, and then pull this one out. That's what I did. So I pulled it out from here, and then I managed to install the donor one. So this is how you remove the Mini Cooper 2008 on wiper, arm and motor. To replace it is a big task. Sometimes I will encourage you to remove the whole bonnet so that you'll be able to work freely there. Otherwise, it's tough, and it's not easy task at all. So now we fix a new one on. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead to assemble this cover plus the wing, which I removed. See, shaking there, and then see, this one was it like that. Yeah, and then I put everything together. So right now this 2 bolt is holding it up. I've got this 13 bolt here, which is going there. 13, that's a knot actually. Yeah, it's going there. It's going there. I should have put this one down. Let's get that. A moment. Come on. Yeah, that 13 knot is going on. Sorry, I need to put the phone, which is sorry about that. Yeah. Yeah. So I'm installing this bolt, the 13 bolt down there. The lock back in, and then to tie that, the 13 ratchet spanner. Where is my spanner? Ratchet. Yeah. Alright, drop it. Drop it in. And I'm gonna put this down for now. Well, I'm trying to tie that bolt down there. It's not easy. Hold the camera at the same time. So just bear with me. I'll update you in a minute. There. Yeah, that one is fully tight. As you can see there, fully tight. Then I'm gonna go ahead to assemble the rest. So this my hands comes across, please forgive me for that. So sorry. Guide this one there. These two. That's what the computer said. There you go. That's it. It's fitted. There you are. Just down there. Alright, these bolts go in. This 1010. This one. I removed 3 of them. Put this one in. And also need to go in. Alright, so I'm now going to assemble this side and then I'll wrap it up. Okay, so thanks for joining in.